To use a Hilton gift card, start by finding a Hilton hotel property, such as a restaurant, retail shop, golf course, or spa, where you'd like to utilize it. Once you've chosen a location, visit the establishment and present your gift card at the checkout desk. You can use the gift card at any point during your stay. Service or experience. Allow the attendant to process the card. And if the card doesn't cover the entire cost, you can use a credit card to cover the remaining balance. It's worth noting that Hilton gift cards cannot be used for online check-in processes, as the website requires a credit card to complete the check-in process. And payment options cannot be changed to a gift card online. However, you can add a credit card and specify the amount you want to be charged to the gift card during checkout. By following these steps, you can easily redeem your Hilton gift card and enjoy the benefits it has to offer.